So friends, a fast recap of what have we seen until now. Extrude tool, which is a primary feature. Revolve tool, which is also a primary feature. Hole tool, which is a secondary feature, since hole tool can remove material from an existing solid only. Datum planes, which are exclusive datum features. Move and mirror, which are secondary features again. Shell and rib, which are again secondary features because shell can remove material from an existing solid and rib can add material only on existing solids, so they are secondary feature. Draft tool, which can be executed on existing faces, so it's a treatment feature. Pattern tool, which is again a secondary feature. Sweep tool, in which solid is generated by moving the section along the trajectory, is also a primary feature. Blend tool, in which solid is generated by joining sections, whether they may be on parallel planes, rotational planes, or a combination of parallel and rotational, is also a primary feature. Swept blend, in which a solid is generated by blending sections and sweeping it along a trajectory, is also a primary feature. So extrude, revolve, sweep, blend and swept blend are primary features since they can be used as the first feature of the object. Hole, move and mirror, shell and rib and pattern are secondary features since they can add or remove material on existing features. Draft is a treatment feature and datum planes are exclusive datum features. So let's see in the next PPT what are we going to study today. So friends, we are going to study the variable section sweep today. In the first place, we are going to understand the concept, the basic concept about which the variable section sweep tool revolves. Secondly, some important points to be noted or rules which are to be followed for the successful execution and completion of the variable section sweep tool. After that, we are going to exercise some tutorials in order to achieve perfection in variable section tool in the variable section sweep tool in Creo Parametric 3.0. Let's move ahead. Let's try and understand the concept behind variable section sweep. In variable section sweep, a single section is to be swept along multiple trajectories. Note, a single section. So if only one section is permitted, then why the name variable section? That is because the shape of the cross section varies as it sweeps through multiple trajectories which are variable in shape and size both. Now if we compare variable section sweep with swept blend, we find that swept blend uses multiple sections whereas variable section sweep can use a single section. Swept blend allows only one trajectory. Swept blend uses only one trajectory, whereas variable section sweep can use multiple trajectories. So we can remember variable section sweep as opposite of swept blend. Let's move ahead to see some rules which are to be followed for effective working of variable section sweep tool. Let's study some rules which are to be followed for the effective working of variable section sweep tool. As we have seen in the last PPT that the variable section sweep tool has two components, a section and a trajectory. Only one section is to be used but multiple trajectories are permitted. Only one section is to be used but multiple trajectories are permitted. As far as the trajectories are concerned, all the trajectories are to be sketched using the sketch tool in the datums group. Okay, the variable section sweep tool will just do the job of selecting the trajectories as we have seen and done in the swept and swept blend tools. Now the First trajectory which is to be sketched for the variable section sweep tool is known as the origin trajectory. Origin trajectory is a simple straight line equal to the length of the variable section sweep feature. This origin trajectory is used for generating the sketching plane for drawing the sections. Please also note that all the advanced modeling tools like sweep, blend, variable section sweep and sweep blend use the sketched section option. That is these tools are capable of auto generating the sketching plane for drawing the sections. So all these tools use the sketched section option, in which the sections are to be drawn within the tools itself. Now let's study some tutorials and exercises in Creo Parametric 3.0.